it's Rob here at LSH Auto UK Mercedes Benz. Now, in the media at the moment there is a lot of bad press surrounding the safety and security of keyless go vehicles. However, in this video I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to fully utilise the potential of this fantastic feature.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living.
First things first, let's have a look at the functionality of this key. So as you can see, at the top you have your lock button, in the middle you have your unlock button, and right at the bottom you have your electronic boot release. Now this is pretty conventional against all of the Mercedes keys, depending on style and obviously the functionality of the car. So as you can see, when I have the key on the body and my thumb touches the door handle, that unlocks the car. Likewise, as I'm leaving the car, thumb over the sensor and you can walk away and the car locks. Now, to deactivate this feature, so your keyless entry is deactivated, what you're going to do is a double click on the lock button at the top of the key. This will then deactivate the system, so when you go to open the car using the keyless go feature, it won't allow it. When deactivating the keyless go feature, it is really important that you do it on both the master key and the spare key, as it is key specific. Another fantastic tip, which only allows you to unlock the driver's door and leaves the other three remaining doors locked, is to hold the key on the unlock and lock button for 5 seconds. So now what you'll see, as the door is unlocked, only the driver's door is going to open and the passenger door remains locked. Now this is a fantastic feature for when you're alone, when it's night time, when you're a little bit uncertain about the area you're in. It just gives you that extra bit of safety knowing that you're only unlocking your door and all the others are locked so no one else can get in the vehicle. My final tip for the day is just to have a little bit of a think about where you're keeping your key. Are you keeping it right behind the door on a hook? Are you keeping it in the kitchen? You want to try and get that key as far away from the car as possible to reduce the risk of someone piggybacking off that signal. So a quick recap going through what we've gone through today. Number one, we've got the double click on the lock button, which will deactivate the keyless entry feature. Number two, we've got the long 5-second hold on the unlock and lock button, which will only open the driver's door. And finally, it was to have a little bit of a think about where you're storing your key at night or at home. If you have any questions or queries regarding this matter, feel free to contact us on any of the details that are listed below this video, or you can simply just comment. I've been Robert Richardson. It's been a pleasure as always, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.